still the same chair. For the state of Indiana,
Status quo, Ami Del Mundo Chair, Jacinto Vice Chair.
thank you, Ms. Del Mundo, and you are still the chair. For the state of Iowa,
They submitted the list of officers. It's Robert Amos for chair and Dr. Clarence Padilla for vice chair.
okay, Mr. Rowell and Padilla. For the state of Kentucky, oh, Imperial and Opel. Open and Vice. So Imperial is the chair. They will work it out later on. Who will be your Imperial or Villarreal? Villarreal. Sorry. Congratulations, Ms. Villarreal. For the state of Wisconsin,
Dr. Alejandro Benduan Chair.
for the vice. Okay. Okay, Mr. Benduan is the chair. For the state of Minnesota,
Chair Adi Batika and Vice Chair Meg Layesa.
congratulations, Paring Adi. Batika is the chair for Minnesota. And the vice is Meg.
Yeah.
And for my beloved state,
My beloved state of Illinois, I'd like to thank you for giving the opportunity to serve. And now we have a new chair. Ms. Jerica Andang, and vice chair is Mark Suliman.
congratulations, Jelly
Thank you.
and Bart. Hallelujah. Now for the state, for the regional election, same, it's an open nomination, nobody filed. And so there is a Region 3 caucus from among the three. And the report from the chair, Mr. Ed Navarra, is that he still will be the chair, and Ms. Mayra Kiram, the vice chair. Treasurer. Who's the treasurer?
No, it's elected. There is another scheme.
All right. Let's now have a one motion in general to approve all the elected officers by the region.
I move.
Motion to approve the election.
Move to approve the election.
Second. It's been approved. It's been on a motion and seconded to close the election, to accept all the election results as final. And congratulations to all of you. Let me give thanks to Ms. Vilma Helms, and let me give thanks to Nieves Latusa. For their work as a consulate. And thank you very much, and God bless you all, and have a nice safe back to your home. Before we adjourn, let's have a good word from our beloved chair, national chair, Mr. Greg Macabenta.
I have just seen with my own eyes the kind of goodwill and spirit which will continue to propel NAFLA towards its goals. Everybody should have been around who have said that we can never work together for understanding. We have just proven them wrong. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. Thank you.
I just have who called Alex Samado.
We'd like to announce that we just talked to Alex Exclamado, and he was extending his greatest congratulations and best wishes to this conference that just ended. And we told him that he was with us in spirit, and he said that he is always with us, and what was congratulating this region for the work that it has done.
In closing, I would like to thank everybody. I mean, from the bottom of my heart. That Jelly did everything they could to make this success.
Yes.
One question. Who was the host in 2012 regional convention?
Michigan?
Volunteer?
11.
Oh, 11. So keep that in mind because we're going to get back to
Michigan.